warning for western Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, southwestern Dutch County in southeast Wisconsin until 5 p.m. At 4:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lake Coshocino, or 7 miles west of Fort Atkinson, moving northeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard: golf ball size and wind 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Fort Atkinson around 4:25 p.m., Lake Mills around 4:30 p.m., Jefferson around 4:35 p.m., Johnson Creek around 4:40 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Milford, Appleton, Utica, Busseyville, Rockdale, Albion, and T-Bun. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This has been EAS number 4.